Grade 2, Subject Maths, Chapter 7, Division. What's meant by division? Division is repeated subtraction is called division. Repeated subtraction is called division.
Let us learn division through repeated subtraction. Repeated subtraction is how many times a number is subtracted from a given number to get 0. Let us say, you have to divide 15 strawberries among 5 hungry turtles. Now each of the 5 turtles eats 1 strawberry. Thus, 10 strawberries are remaining. The turtles are still hungry. Each of the 5 turtles eats 1 strawberry again. Now, 10 strawberries are eaten up and 5 strawberries are remaining. Looks like the turtles are still hungry. Each of the 5 turtles eats the remaining 5 strawberries. There are no more strawberries remaining. 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, we have subtracted 5 3 times. So 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. This is known as division sentence. Hence, division is same as repeated subtraction.
See the activity, Chapter 7, Interactivity. Here we have 3 pairs. The first pair has 5 balls. The second place 5 balls. And the third one also 5 balls. Our question for first one: how many balls are altogether? How many balls are altogether? That means we add how many balls are there altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Altogether means we want to add every balls. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we have totally 15 balls. So first one answer is 15. And then second one is how many groups are there altogether? How many groups are there altogether? 1, 2, 3. We have 3 groups. 1, 2, 3. Second one is 3. And then third one, how many balls are there in each groups? How many balls are there in each groups? Each groups 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 5 balls. Each and every group have 5 balls. So dash divided into dash groups will give dash ball in each groups. So 15 divided into 3 groups will have 5 balls in each groups. So 15 divided into 3 groups will give how many balls? 5 balls. 5 balls in each groups. Thus 15 divided 3 is equal to 5. 15 divided 3 is equal to 5. Next activity. How many balls are there in altogether? Want to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Totally we have 12 balls. Then second one. How many groups are there altogether? 1, 2, 3. We have 3 groups. Then third one, how many balls are there in each groups? 1, 2, 3, 4. Each groups 4 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we divide 12 divided into 3 groups will give 4 balls. So 12 divided into 3 groups will give 4 balls in each groups. 4 balls in each groups. Thus 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. The next one, solve the following. See, we have 3 groups. Each and every group have 2 balls. So first one, how many balls are there altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have totally 6 balls. Then we have totally 3 groups. 1, 2, 3. How many groups are there? altogether. So we have 3 groups. How many groups? 3 groups. The next one, how many balls are in each groups? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. We have 2 balls in each groups. So 6 divided into 3 groups will give 2 balls in each group. That means thus 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. Then D part, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 balls in each group. Our first part is how many balls are there altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we have totally 14 balls. How many groups are then altogether? How many groups? We have only 2 groups. And the third part is how many balls are there in each groups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have each group 7 balls. So we write 14 divided into 2 is equal to 7. 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7. 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7. Next one. Question number 3. By using repeated subtraction, divide the following. By using repeated subtraction, divide the following. First one is A. 14 divided by 2. We are using repeated subtraction. 14 divided by 2. First we will divide 14 divided by 2. Question part A, 14 divided by 2. Our solution is 14 divided by 2. Divide means repeated subtraction. Divide means repeated subtraction. By using subtraction method, 14 divided by 2, so we take minus. We want to subtract 14. We want to subtract 2 from 14. So 14 minus 2 is equal to 12. 14 minus 2 is equal to 12. 14 minus 2, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2, then bring down the number 1, so 12. 14 minus 2 is equal to 12. Next one, our answer is 12. So again we want to subtract 2 from the answer. 12 minus 2. First one 14 minus 2 is equal to 12. Next one 12 minus 2 is equal to 12 minus 2 is equal to 10. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Bring down the number 1. So our answer is 10. Then again you want to subtract 10. 10 minus 2 is equal to 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. Next one. 8 minus again 1 to 2. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Our answer is 4. So we want to again minus 2. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Your answer is 2. So you want to 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Our final solution is 0. Our final solution is 0. That is a remainder. That is a remainder. Listen here. How many 2s are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 2s. That means we subtract 2 7 times. We subtract 2 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we subtracted 2 from 14. 14 divided by 2 is equal to 14 divided by 2 is equal to. Our question part is 14 divided by 2. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times we subtracted from 2, 14. 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7 times 2. 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7 times 2. 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7. The answer is 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7. The next one. We got 12 divided by 6. 12 divided by 6. By using repeated subtraction. 12 divided by 6. We got 12 divided by 6 by using repeated subtraction. Solution. 1 to 12 divided by 6. So 12 minus 6. Because division means repeated subtraction. 12 minus 6. 12 minus 6 is equal to 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. Next you want to minus 6. 6 minus 6. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Listen here. 12 divided by 6. You want to 12 divided by 6. We take 12 minus 6 because it is a repeated subtraction method. So 12 divided by 6. You want to repeated subtraction. 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. The answer is 6. Again, we subtracted 6 from 6. So 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. How many times we are divided? Subtracted 6. 2 times 1, 2. So this part is 12 divided by 6. 12 divided by 6 is equal to how many times? 1, 2. Is separated 2 times. Is separated 2 times. So 12 divided by 6 is equal to 2. 2 times. So 12 divided by 6 is equal to 2. That is our answer. The next one. Third one. 20 divided by 5. 20 divided by 5. 12 divided by 5. So you want to 12 divided by 5 by using subtraction method, because division means repeated subtraction. So first one is 20 minus 5. We take minus 20 minus 5 is equal to 20 minus 5 is equal to 15. 20 minus 5 is equal to 15. So our answer is 15. Right, 15. And then again 1, 2, we take minus 5. Again we take minus 5 is equal to 15 minus 5. 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. Minus 5 is equal to 10. So take 10. Again we take minus 5. 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Here our answer is 5. Again we take minus 5 is equal to 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Our final solution is 0. Listen here. We have 5 separated from 5 times. We have 5 separated from 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many times? 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Separated 5 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 20 divided by 5 is equal to 20 divided by 5 is equal to, we separated 5 how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. So our solution is 4. So 12 divided by 5 is equal to 4. Therefore our answer is 4. The next one. Sixty divided by 4. D part. 60 divided by 4 is also by using repeated subtraction. Divide the following. Divide the following. 60 divided by 4. D part. 60 divided by 4. Solution. Divide means repeated subtraction. So 60 divide 4. So we take minus 4. 16 minus 4. 16 minus 4 is equal to 16 minus 4 is equal to 6 minus 4 2. The bring down the number 1. So our answer is 12. 16 minus 4 is equal to 12. We take the answer 12. Again we take 4. 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. So our answer is here 8. We take repeat 4. 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Take the answer 4 minus, again we take 4. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Our final solution is 0. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. We have separated 4 how many times? 4 times. We have separated 4 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. So our solution is 16 divided by 4. 16 divided by 4 is equal to how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. So 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4. 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4. It is called the repeated subtraction. It is called the repeated subtraction. That means division. Thank you to all.